Hello, friends. Yesterday, you know, I promised you that I'll be sharing one video uh, which would be related to a link between game of X and fixed point theorem. So I have idea about fixed point theorem, but I am reading about its multiple uses in our day-to-day life events, and so I have read few mathematical. I've gone through few mathematical proofs as well. So still, I'm not very convinced. The moment I get convinced, I'll be sharing that video. But a few minutes ago, I was having discussion with my friend. I won't name him. He has done MSc in mathematics from Delhi University, and I have done major in economics. So I asked him ki, what is 0 by 0? So he said ki, bhaiya, it is indeterminate. So well, he was correct. We cannot define it. Then I said कि इसका क्या रीज़न है. सो ये सेट कि इस पे अभी शोध चल रहा है. इस पे अभी रिसर्च चल रही है. सो इस पे कोई रिसर्च नहीं चल रही है. It's indeterminate because we have insufficient information. ठीक है. So suppose if 4 by 8 is what? It is 4 by 8 is 0.5, right? And if I write it as 3.99999999 divided by 7.999999, still the value would be very close to 0.5. Or if I write it as 4.000001 upon 8.0001 is equal, so the value would be very close to 0.5 or 0.5 plus minus epsilon, depending on what exactly we have put in numerator and denominator, right? But this thing cannot happen in this case. Why? See, 0 by 0, you may write it as 0.000002 and 0.0000008. So it is nothing but 2 by 8, which is nothing but 0.25. But अगर मैंने इसको लिखा होता 0.000005 upon 0.00009, in that case it would have been 5 by 9, which would have been 0.5 something, 0.55 if I'm not wrong. So we cannot define. It can be 0.25 also, it can be 0.55 also. We have insufficient information. That's why 0 by 0 is indeterminate. Similarly, अगर आप 1 by 0 करते हो, it is infinity. Why? Because if you divide one pizza among 0 people, it doesn't make sense. You have to divide it among some people, right? So consider it as value which is very close to 0, but not 0. So that's why it will be infinity. And similarly, if 1 by infinity, if you divide some finite thing among infinite things, then infinite में अगर divide करेंगे तो it will be not 0 but close to 0, but we define as 0. We say that 1 by infinity as 0 because if you're dividing something among infinite people, then that thing which has been divided, it cannot be vanished, right? It has been divided among infinite people in very small pieces, small pieces, which is beyond our imagination, very small. So it cannot be 0, but it will be close to 0. So लिमिट्स आपने पढ़ा होगा 12वीं या 11वीं कक्षा में. तो ये लिमिट्स हम जिसमें h अप्रोच टू 0 करते थे वो सब इसी से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर योर टाइम. आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट वीडियो वेरी सून.